And I'll try a bad video of this. Well, wrong button. Holds out. Shifting to slower range. Set up, stopped, engage the PTO, rev the engine to PTO speed. Drop the hammer, gate opens, now we're off to the races. That's about right on the spout. On hitch load. Nice thing about grain carting and a variable speed transmission, I can just push the go handle. There we go. Pull on it, it stops. I actually don't have enough to fill this truck in one shot this particular time, but if we get really stopped, I can, but I don't generally do it. I load about 18 to 20 trucks a day. And we're just about out. It gets 1,000, I'll just about quit, just almost instantly. Clean out, shut the gate off, idle down the tractor, disengage the PTO, slowly creep away, let it trickles out, and off to the races. Into one for the remote, and fold her back up, and chase cut off.